Hello beautiful people, since it's the month of February, magfe-Feb-ibig muna tayo. Today, I would like to use the word showroom as a metaphor in love relationship with a biblical principles, of course. What is a showroom? Showroom is a space designed to display products like cars, furniture, appliances, electronics, fashion, etc. It has also lighting and mirrors to highlight yung mga detalye ng mga produktong nakadisplay. So my message is about the showroom effect in love. It isn't a phrase you will find directly in the Bible, but I will use it to describe a mindset that the Bible definitely talks about. So what is this room? Showroom effect means in love relationship. It's like treating people the way someone treats yung mga kotse in a showroom. You just admire pero napakadami mong options. You enjoy the attention or excitement, but there is no commitment at all. Always thinking maybe there's something better. So love becomes about appearance, novelty, and comparison, and not a covenant at all. Kumbaga, in short, it is a surface level, self-focused, and then takot ka nga sa commitment. So in biblical terms, the showroom effect in love can be seen in the life of King Saul. King Saul was more focused on how he appeared to others than his faithfulness and commitment to God. Matatandaan natin, he performed well in public, but his heart lacked commitment and obedience. So like showroom love, King Saul valued image and approval over loyalty, over covenant, and that shallow focus ultimately cost him the kingdom. So parang sa family lang yan. Yung tatay, as a father, as a husband, hindi mo siya nakikitang committed sa family. Kumbaga, pan-display lang yung kanyang position, yung kanyang responsibility, hindi naman talaga niya ginagawa. So, what are we going to do to avoid this showroom effect in love? Number one, we need to be authentic. Be real. Huwag ka lang dapat nagpe-perform. Sabi ng salita ng Diyos, man looks at the outward appearance, but the Lord looks at the heart. 1 Samuel chapter 16, verse 7. What do I mean? Kailangan yung responsibility mo, ginagawa mo siya, fully engaged ka. Hindi ka lang basta nasabing ikaw ay tatay, ikaw ay nanay, ikaw ay nagmamahal kay God, pero you're not fully engaged dun sa ipinapagawa ng Panginoon sa iyo. Kumbaga, you're not doing the right thing, you are just performing. And number two, actions. Let actions speak. Let us not love with words or speech, but with actions and in truth. 1 John chapter 3 verse 18. So hindi lang basta sinasabi mong, I love my family, I love my wife, I love my husband, I love God, I love other people, pero hindi naman nakikita ito sa ating mga ginagawa. Kailangan nandun yung consistency natin na pinapakita talaga natin in our gestures, in our service, whatever we do, pinapakita natin na talagang consistent yung ating mga words together with actions. And number three, let's stay accountable. Plans fail for lack of counsel, but with many advisors, they succeed. Proverbs chapter 20 verse 18. Kailangan ginagawa nating accountability partner yung ating mga kanya-kanyang asawa, or even your spiritual mentors, or even our close friends, or sino man na pwede mong pagkatiwalaan para sabihin sa'yo in front na ikaw pala ay nagiging performative na. Hindi na nagiging authentic yung pagmamahal mo, hindi na nagiging authentic yung pag-ibig mo, and you are just focusing on the surface level. Kumbaga, wala na yung commitment, wala din yung covenant mo na kinikip sa Panginoon. So, let someone talk to you. Let someone correct you, and that is accountability. So, real love is not for display. Let us get rid of this showroom effect in love. Hindi po pan-display ang ating mga commitment. Covenant natin yan sa Panginoon. And we must be authentic. Maging totoo tayo. Magpakatotoo tayo. Let us commit. Let us be faithful. And of course, let us do everything we can to support one another. In that manner, we show that our love is authentic because our actions speaks louder than our words. Let's go for this real love kaysa maging showroom effect ang ating pag-ibig sa bawat isa. God bless everyone!